So that's this 2021 question 2. And here we go. Okay. She needs 4 eggs to make each cake, and she has 28 eggs. How many cakes can she make? Everybody good with 7 cakes? Okay. So lads, she can make 7 cakes. Is that all right with you guys? Okay. Now, next one. Millie makes a filler for her cake using only butter and sugar in the ratio of 5:7. One day, Millie makes a total of 24 kilograms of filling. Work out how many grams of sugar she made. All right. Add them together. What happens when you add them together? 12 parts. 12 parts is 2.4 kilograms. Agreed? Divide both sides by 12. 1 part is 0.2 of a kilogram. How did I get that? I divided by 12. Which number refers to the sugar? The 5 or the 7? 7. It's my goal to figure out what 7 parts is. 7 parts is 7 times bigger than 1 part. Multiply it out, and what do we get? 1.4 kilograms. Is that okay with you guys? Okay. Who got that one out? Okay. Now, let's move on to the next question. Okay. Millie is buying flour at her local shop. She has 2 special offers. Okay. And she wants to buy 6 kilograms of flour. Work out which offer she should take. Okay. I'm going to start with the first one. Okay. If she wants 6 kilograms, she's going to need 6 bags. Agreed? Okay. But 3 bags is for the price of 2. So that means 6 bags, it'll actually be the price of. Now, because we can break it up into 3 for 2 twice, can't we? 3 for 2 and another 3 for 2. So that would be 6 bags for 4. Now, what's the price of 1 bag again? So I'm going to multiply 4 by 350. And did anybody else get €14 for that? We all good? That's perfect, right? Just, well, if you show workings or anything, you type in your calculator, that's great. Shh. Now, lads, shh. Offer B. Offer B is the blue offer there, yeah? We're going to do 6 divided by 1.5. Why am I doing that? How many? Yeah, that's 4 bags, okay? Now, 4 bags is a fiver each. So 4 multiplied by 5, €20. However, we're going to get 20% off. And Eric nailed it. If you want to take away 20%, just multiply it by 80%, and you get €16. And you can see that clearly offer A is the cheaper offer with €14. Any question? Okay. Now, actually, we have a part D now, okay? Now, Millie sells each cake for €7.50. This gives her a profit of 20%. Okay, work out how much it costs Millie to make each cake. Now, would everybody agree that the cost is 100%? Cost represents 100%. However, we sold it at what percentage? Who says 120? You're correct, because we sold it with an extra 20% attached. And that costs €7.50. You cool with that? How do I figure out what 1% is? Divide by 120. So can you guys get €7.50 and then divide by 120? 1/16 or keep, yeah, 0.062. All right, 0.0625. Now lads, multiply it by 100. Are we expecting it to be cheaper than €7.50 or more expensive? Because we're selling at a profit, weren't we? €6.25. Who got €6.25? Working out what 1% is, you divide by 120 to go from 120 to 1%, and then you multiply by 100. If you aren't sure about the answer I just got here a second ago, here's what I'm going to ask you to do. See the €6.25? Multiply that by 20%, okay? Because we're going to add 20% onto it. What you get? You get 1.25. Add that 1.25 onto the 6.25. What do you get? I've just proven that my answer is the correct one. Happy enough? It's the correct technique. If you have a profit, you add it on at the beginning and you take it down that way. If you aren't sure about you can check your answer by adding on 20%. I bet you won't get €7.50. 20% added on, and you won't get $7.50. You'll get something else. Okay. Now, Millie has €3,000 in a special savings account. Now, lads, €3,000 in a special savings account. Interest rate is 2.5%. This means we're making it bigger by 102.5%. Does that make sense? We're adding on an extra 2.5% every year. How many years are we doing it for? It's the same thing as multiplying by 1.025 to the power of 4. We're going to get €3,000 and we're going to multiply it out. What do we get when we multiply that out? So what do you think? Am I got an answer for it? Okay. Yeah. You got 3,311.44. Now, give me a sec. And that's what you got? Okay. Now,